Hey guys, this is the second and final part to the 2015 Phantom Firework stash.
Thank you. Okay, so to start off, hold on. Come help me. Just you pick the item up and then I'll show him. To start off, we have a 200-gram cake called Silver Sonic Warheads, and it's 12 shot, I think. Yeah, 12 shots. It's a pretty good cake, just to start off. And then next we have another 200-gram cake called Painted Galaxies, 25 shots. And then we have 2 Saturn batteries, both 100 shots. And put up a loud whistle, pretty much. That's it. A bunch of rapid bottle rockets going off. We have 2 packs of these outer space jets. They look like pills, kind of. They're kind of dangerous. I mean, I wouldn't light them off in your cars or something. And you never know where they're going to go at. Next, we have a 36-shot large Happy Planets. I've never tried one of these before. But, I mean, everybody says this is like a fan favorite or something, so figured why not try it. Okay, next we have a 7-shot Chinese New Year. I know it looks small, look, it's in my palm. I know it looks small, but, I mean, those are pretty big single shots for being such a small cake. Next we have an entire brick of jumping jacks, and that was just thrown in an assortment. I have no idea why we got that many jumping jacks, worthless. Next we have 3-stage Whistling Moon Travelers. These are the best bottle rockets Phantom that I would recommend because they have 3 loud, solid whistles. They're pretty loud. Next we have a cake called a Halley's Comet that I've never even seen before in my life, except for in one of Pimp Daddy's videos. I don't know, I'm just kind of excited to see that one too, I guess. Moving down to some of the bigger boxes, some of the assortments and stuff. We have a box of reloadable box. These are ball shells, obviously, called Evil Balls, 6 shells. They're from Mega Banger. And then these are what they look like inside. I mean, I have the tube in the way because I was looking at them. Simple ball shells, tube, it's cardboard, pretty cheap tube. To move on, we got a couple single shot tubes. Manhattan Crown Brigade, number 300. Not that big, but I'm kind of interested in that one too. We have 3 number 500s. The first one is Silver Crackling Palm. Probably one of the best ones is Phantom. The next one we have is Green Glitter with Crackle, and that's pretty much what it does, like a color drawing of it. Next we have, let me dig around in here, Round Red Dahlia, and this is probably one of the most bought and probably the best one at Phantom. I don't know, I just see it in a lot of fireworks stash videos. We have these, another reloadable kit, but it's ball shell still. I don't think we have any canister shells this year. But we have mini bombs. I've never seen these before, but I guess they'll be cool. We have 2 packs of those, by the way. Get these out while I have them. Same thing with Evil Balls. We have 2 packs of Evil Balls. Next we have this fountain that my mom picked up because she loves fountains. And it's the Rock Around the Clock fountain. Probably the best one there that I recommend from videos that I've seen. We have another fountain. We have a few fountains. This one's a 500-gram fountain, though. Brouhaha. Those are the effects, I guess. Just a few of them. Has too many effects to list, it says. Next we have, hold on, let me set this down. We have something that my friend gave me. It's a Roman candle by Big, and it's called Chasing Palms. 8-ball, but it's pretty big and heavy for being a Roman candle. Interested to see that. Next we have, here, let's go to some rockets. We have a pack of the 6-ounce, Wolfpack assorted rockets, and then after the 6-ounce, we have a pack of the 8-ounce. So I'm kind of interested to see the comparison. I mean, these are obviously a lot longer than the pack of 6-ounce ones. We have a whole brand new pack of these assorted rockets, 12 pieces. And there's glittering bees, flying color, and clustering bees. So a bunch of bees effects. And I mean, that's probably one of my favorite effects is the bees. So I'm interested to kind of interested to see those for being so little. We have another pack, an entire pack of blue streak rockets. Just because if you buy small rockets, this is probably the best kind of cheap rocket you'll buy at Phantom, unless you want to get into like the ones with the ball shells on top. They're pretty nice, I guess. We have two grosses, more bottle rockets that I'm just gonna end up giving away. So normal Phantom, they have a pretty loud report, and then the Howling Wolfpack rockets. I don't even know why we got so many bottle rockets. Most of them were just thrown in the assortment. Okay, we'll go to another fountain. Thunderfest fountain. And the picture for the assortment we bought, this was pretty big. We got it in real life. It's tiny and it weighs a lot less than I thought it would. But I mean, firework's a firework, who cares? Next we have, this is a heavy one. Tijuana Tremor fountain. Pretty heavy compared to the other one I just picked up. We have, this is pretty much a box of little stuff, by the way. We have a box of happiness fountains, and they kind of freak out. They like explode at the end. And then we have a box of dancing butterflies, which are like ground blooms and fountains at the same time. We have an entire box of tanks. I mean, who doesn't like tanks? Next we have a 3-pack of cuckoo fountains that came in the assortment. We have, I'm really interested to see what these do. I've seen them in pretty much every single assortment of Phantom. These moonbeam missiles. They're not really that big. They're about, maybe the length of a pencil across, but they're just a little bit wider. There's just, you guys can see Morning Glory sparklers and stuff. I'm not going to pull that stuff out. Might as well just leave it in there, just sparklers. We have 2 packs of ground blooms, basically self-explanatory. They spin on the floor and that's it. We have some more cakes. We have Walloping Warheads, 12 shots, loud whistle. We have another fan favorite at Phantom is Phantasm 2. Probably one of the best 200-gram cakes there. And then another one of the best 200-gram cakes there that came in the assortment. I was happy when I seen this, the Rain of Fire. Because I was going to get this for using the gas coupon, but then my mom asked if she could just use the gas coupon to get that Rock Around the Clock fountain. And since she took me to buy the fireworks, I wasn't going to turn that down. And that's it for that box. Okay, so I put that box away, all the stuff away, and then I moved the other box out of here. That way I could go through the other stuff. We have 3 of the same tubes that were just, or single-shot tubes that were just given to us. They gave us 3 of the same thing for free. All of them were free. They're all the Broadway Brocade Silver Green. There's 3 of them, number 300. I mean, I'm thinking about... This one's not sturdy, though. You can hear stuff moving around. But I'm thinking about just kind of like fusing them together or something. And just making like a little mini something with all the single-shot tubes, because I don't really feel like lighting them all off individual. Take too much time. We have this 7-inch assorted floral shells. I mean, they're a lot heavier than last year's pack, because we had a pack of last year's old ones. And this weighs a lot more than last year's. Like, I'm not even exaggerating. We have Roman candles now. We have 2 packs of the normal 10-ball high-performance Roman candles with report. Pretty much in every assortment of Phantom. We have the Wolfpack Crackling Comet ones. 6 pieces, each 10 shot. They're pretty good, I guess, for Roman candles. Next, we have blue and green Flashing Thunder. I mean, you can't get blue without green. You can't get green without blue. So I got both and tried both of them out. We have a couple packs of planes here now. We got B-3 bombers, and we have plane flying at night. Both came in the assortment. The assortments that we got were the Jumbo Phantom. I don't know where the... Kyle, watch out the way. The Jumbo Phantom right there. It's $4.49 or something like that, and it was buy one get one free, so we got the other one at the bottom of the catalog. And we got a pretty much good quality stuff. We have a number 5 Thunderstorm shell, little mini shell, a lot smaller compared to the bigger ones. Like, that's it compared to a 300, number 300 shell. A 500 shell would be like up here. And then the last thing in these boxes are firecrackers. We have 2 strips of 200 firecrackers, both by Wolfpack. Wolfpack, by far the loudest firecrackers I've ever had in my life. We have a whole half brick of Wolfpack firecrackers, along with a whole half brick in the leftover stuff from last year. We have 2 boxes of M98 crackers. Both came in the assortments, and they're packaged pretty nice. They're not really that loud. I wouldn't compare them to, like, not even the little dynamites or something. They're not really that loud at all. And then for the last thing in this box, we have a whole wheel of 2,000 firecrackers that came in the assortment. So I'm going to pause the video, and I'll see you guys when we get back to the next box.